this tutorial, I will demonstrate the solution to the issue of TikTok's Shop Now feature not displaying correctly. One potential cause of this issue is that your TikTok application is not up to date. To check for updates, please proceed to your device's App Store and search for TikTok. If the option to update is available, tap on it to initiate the update process. Once your TikTok application is updated to the latest version, proceed to the next step. The next step involves accessing your device's settings. Navigate to the General section, and then select iPhone Storage. Within this page, locate the TikTok application and tap on it. Subsequently, select the option to offload app. This action will clear the cache and stories associated with the application, potentially resolving the issue you are experiencing. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the TikTok application. Reinstalling the app can often resolve various issues and enhance its overall performance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the problem of TikTok's Shop Now feature not displaying correctly.